Says rising. So I got cut off, but you will notice that some people with wounds, childhood wounds, have to be noticed. They don't know the healthy. Nobody has taught them a healthy way to be noticed. They're always trying to prove something. They're always that, they're special or whatever they were lacking in childhood, they're trying to get in adulthood. It's kind of like, when you're a kid and you see mom and dad or some adult that has a Big Mac, but they're giving you the kiddie meal, but you want the Big Mac. So when you become an adult, all you eat is Big Macs, right? That's unhealthy. So, I'm just thinking about how the world would be if people had the courage to look inside of themselves and reveal those wounds, heal those wounds, grow from those wounds, and show by their actions and their lifestyle that other people can do it too. Those are the 4 steps that I offer to my clients. If you want a session, you can book with me anytime. The link is going to be in this under this video description. But when you level up and you get to that vibration of being able to discern, the spirit of discernment as to the spirits in other people and what they're dealing with and what to break down, what they need to break down, you realize that most people are not on a healing journey. It does not mean that they cannot be, but they don't want to because they're so concerned about not fitting into society. What's even more bizarre is most people who want to fit into society don't fit in the first place, in the greater picture of it. But they're used to